Welcome back, divas. How are we doing? I hope everyone's fine. I'm gonna show you the real process, everything it takes to make a website from me, which usually includes me struggling, and then finished product. Follow me on my journey. This is probably gonna be the longest one out of the 10 that I plan on doing, but that's just because I'm new to React and I'm new to Tailwind, okay? Watch me struggle. Don't make fun of me. I hope you enjoy this week of me suffering and then being filled with bliss. I've been sitting at this desk for 2 to 3 hours trying to figure out how the hell styles work with React. And I've given up. I admit it. I'm switching over to Tailwind. For the past hour, I've been trying to learn Tailwind off the top of my head because I've learned Bootstrap before off the top of my head. So I said, Tailwind can't be that hard. And granted, it's not hard. I don't know anything. Oh my god, I can't do this. I can't do this. I just want a burger menu. That's all I'm asking for. That's my only goal before I go to bed. I just want to build a burger menu. Does anybody understand? You saw that? That was 4 hours of work. I'm going to bed. We will pick this up tomorrow. Tailwind, it's easy, but I don't know anything. And then React, I've never done this before by myself. I've been at it for 2 hours today. It's 10:30. I finished the nav. I'm working on my hero. Well, I didn't even finish the nav because I don't know how to navigate through different. Doesn't matter, we'll get there when we get there. I'm working on the hero, which is going to be an automatic slideshow. But you know what, I don't know how to do that, so I had to find a bunch of things online and figure out how to do it. I'm halfway there, I think. I don't know if I should just stop for the day or keep going. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do it. The thing is, this website isn't even dynamic. It's a static website and I'm struggling this much. Is this normal? Is this normal for someone who just... This is my first React project. It's 12 a.m. And I just finished the automatic slideshow for the hero. Let me open the burger menu. Let me just test it out real quick. Let me see. Where the hell did it go? You cannot be serious right now. Because why is it moving? Why is it doing that? I can't deal with this right now. I'm gonna break. Why is the burger menu moving? It's just... 20 minutes later, I fixed it, and it was what I thought I could do to fix it, which was mess with the Z index of the navigation. But I wasn't putting it in the right place. But now I'm going to bed for real. So I'll see you next. Hi divas, how we doing? It's the start of a new week. It's week 2 on this project and week 1 did not go very well. I'm gonna excuse that to everything being new. So now there's no excuse. For this week. We have to finish the project this week. Today, Monday, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish all of the components, and then tomorrow I'm going to set up React Router, and then Wednesday I'm hoping to work with the Google Maps API just to have some familiarity with connecting my projects to APIs. So let's just get started on this. Hi, it's 11 p.m. Still Monday. We did our task for the day. I finished all the components except the last one. I didn't really know how to like style it, and so I'm still a little off put by it. It doesn't look as well as I want it to look, which is fine. We can fix it some other day. You know, I was looking at it right now and I was like, this kind of ugly. So let's not have that happen again. For the next project, we're gonna make it look real nice, okay? No more of this, no more of this. I don't know what this was, but this just looks ugly to me right now. Today's task is to connect all of my... Give me a second. Okay, so today's task is to set up React Router and to create pages and to be able to navigate through the pages. And hopefully that like solves most of it. I'm a little like, I don't know, I've never gotten this far. So we'll see how that goes, question mark. Hey, quick little update. It's 7 p.m. I think I've been working on this for like 2 to 3 hours. Routing everything is taking a lot longer than expected, but I'm almost done, I think. I just need to figure out how to scroll something into view when I click on something else, which shouldn't be too hard. I'll see you later. Okay, we're back with the final update for the day. Did I finish? Put your bets in right now. If anyone said no, you're preying on my downfall and get out of here, bro. If you said yes, you'd be correct. I actually did finish. Routing everything wasn't even hard. Like, it was really easy. It was just time consuming. It took like 2 to 3 hours. And then also I was like tweaking other things, so that was partially my fault. And then I couldn't figure something out, but it was really easy. All I had to do was Google it, but I tried to figure it out by myself because if all goes well, my project is done on Wednesday. A week and a half was all it took. Wow. Let's not speak too soon though. I'll see you tomorrow. Here's the thing. Yesterday I was working on it and I was trying to figure out how to connect the Google Maps API to my project. And the Google Maps thing it wasn't working. It wasn't working, and the code that the pre-made code that they had, it wasn't working with my code because I think they were using TypeScript and I wasn't using TypeScript. And I don't know if you can mix TypeScript and JSX files. So I didn't risk it. I changed so many things to make it work and it wasn't working. But we're basically done, okay? We just need to connect this thing to the Google. We just need to make the map and make a marker and put like stuff on it. And then we gotta figure out how to deploy it. As far as I know, you gotta run a npm run build. But that's it. That's all I know that you have to do. Do you upload those files to GitHub? Also, I gotta figure out how to hide my API key that Google gave me. Because I know I can't let everybody know my API key. I don't know how to hide it. I gotta put it in the git and ignore probably. Like, I gotta make a file and put that file under the git ignore probably. I'll figure it out. We'll see how that goes. If you see my API key, don't steal it. I don't know what you can do with it, but don't steal it, okay? I'm gonna get to work. I'll check in. I'm just realizing now, this is like a couple days later, but I finished the project. I forgot to tell you guys, I was literally working on it and I said I was gonna update you guys and then I didn't. I finished the project. I did it under my given time frame, which was 2 weeks, which is good. All right, we're sticking to deadlines. I don't know how I feel about it. I know it's the first one, but the first one's always the ugliest. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's just look at it. Let's look at it and then I'll see you in the wrap up. So you tell me how it is. It's currently 11:30 p.m. The night before this video is meant to go out, I remembered I need to do an outro. And I also remembered I own a mic. What can I say about this project? It's a project. I never figured out how to properly connect my Google Maps API thing. I never figured it out. I could generate a map at a specific location. I can't generate a marker for the life of me. I don't know how. I don't know why. I've tried everything. Nothing is working. But we're gonna have to try again because I have 3 more projects that use Google Maps. Second struggle I faced was CSS. I thought I could just create CSS files and then connect them to each component and then connect it to like the larger scheme of things, the app.jsx file. As I started, I realized how convoluted and complex that would all be. So I did switch over to Tailwind. My bad to everyone who said use Tailwind, and I said no. I'm using Tailwind now. But other than that, I don't think I had any other big things. It was relatively easy. It was just really time consuming, and the things I struggled with really made me struggle. Like it took every time I struggle with something, it really takes it takes a part of me. I don't know why. I take it so personally. The first project is complete. If you stayed till the end, good on you because I don't know what I just said and I don't know how I'm going to edit that. But I'll see you next week. I hope you had fun with this. I don't know if you like this style of video or if you prefer my previous styles where I was not here and I wasn't vlogging anything and it was kind of just like all the on-screen code. I don't know what you prefer. If you prefer one over the other, let me know. I can switch it up every other video. I don't know, man. I have to go. I gotta go, man. I gotta go edit. I'll see you next week. Unless I'm lying. Bye. Bye.